Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain keyboard shortcuts for iPhone mirroring. Keyboard shortcuts on iPhone mirroring may allow you to, for example, let's click on Command 1. This goes to home screen, but I'm currently on home screen, so let's go to any other app like Clock. And now when I click on Command 1, I go back to home screen. When I click on Command 2, I go into App Switcher, and Command 3 opens Spotlight Search. Then when you click on Command minus, your iPhone gets smaller. And when you click on Command plus, it gets bigger. And when you click on Command 0, it gets its actual size. If you don't remember these keyboard shortcuts, you can click on View in the top here, and then you'll be able to see all of these shortcuts on the right side of the option. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.